Hey guys, Anissa here, and I'm going to talk makeup tips today. I know if you've been on my channel for a while or you found me through wig videos, obviously I have a lot of wig videos and I love them, but I also love makeup and that's why I started this channel. So if you came for the wigs, please stay around for the makeup. There will be quite a bit of content coming up about makeup. Today's tip is about blush and why orange blush is my game changer. Okay, I'm gonna get real. I really didn't pay much attention to orange blushes until two things happened. I watched Wayne Goss talk about La Femme blushes, which I'm a huge fan of, and they have one that's like a terracotta. Love it. It's, again, a game changer. And secondly, Kylie Cosmetics, she did a tutorial years ago for her birthday makeup, and I really loved her birthday makeup. I can't even speak. And her makeup artist pulled out orange blush and layered it underneath the color to make it pop. And I was like, all right, you know what? I want to share with you all why I love orange blushes so much. Okay, so why are orange blushes such a game changer? Because of a couple of reasons. One will be that they're pretty easy to pull off. It may look intimidating in the pan, but for deeper skin tones, they are amazing, like amazing. These orange tones will give like a deeper skin tone, like a very natural glow. It doesn't feel like you're doing the most when it comes to putting on your makeup when you use an orange blush. I also really love to use orange blushes for layering, and what I mean by that, I will apply an orange blush first and then the other blush color on top of it, again just to give that undertone of a really good healthy glow, and orange does that for me. So I'll layer it underneath reds. I've even layered it underneath, which one do I always use? This grape. So like I'll take this grape color with this like cinnabar, which is a very more terracotta, and the two of those, because they're both like kind of more muted in tone, not as like crazy as that, but more muted, amazing. Also, orange blushes, if you're just getting into makeup, they're really great for beginner shades, because if you put on a red, it can feel like, it can feel intense, and you don't want that, or else you're not going to enjoy wearing makeup. You're not going to feel confident when you do it. So orange blush is a great addition to your starter kit for makeup. Piggybacking off of that last reason, it's hard to feel clownish in orange. Like I've seen it done in certain makeup styles that it does look clownish, but if you just layer it on top of your bronzer, you don't feel like a clown when you wear it, versus some other blush colors that can be very overpowering. So my main orange blushes are the following. The first one is this one, Cinnabar, which again is much more terracotta like, and that's what started like my obsession with like oranges. I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit. So that's Cinnabar. So the other orange blush I like is from this kit from Sleek Makeup. It's the Face Form kit, so you get a contour, highlight, and a blush. And again, this one reminded me a lot of Cinnabar, but it has a really like nice bronzy to it. That's it on the right here. Love that. And I also love this one, Hot Flush from Sephora. This is one I've recently picked up, but I've been eyeing it for a while. And that's it. So that's really orange. So that's Cinnabar, the one from Sleek, and then here's the Sephora one. See, that one has, ooh, she's so pretty. And another one I really love is the Ginger Binge from the Fenty Kilowatt Highlighter Duo. This one doesn't have as much shimmer, so you can use it really truly like a blush. And that's that on the back of the finger. So again, it has a lot more amp, a lot more pearlescent to it, but you could use it truly for a cheap color. And that's that one. So they're on the back of the fingers, all of these, and then on the back of the hand. So you see they're all just varieties of orange. That one to be more terracotta because it has a little more red to it and brown, but still has a more orange popping through. This will be more bronzy below it with the Sleek Makeup one. The other one from Sephora, Hot Flush, is like a very true orange. And then this will give you a little of a peach variation to an orange blush from the Ginger Binge from Fenty. So obviously I love some orange. So moving on into the application of it all, today I'm using the Hot Flush from Sephora because I've just been reaching for this. Reaching like these drama channels reach for some of these YouTubers. But yeah, so I've just been loving this one. The first thing I usually do is add bronzer to my cheeks just to, again, incorporate a lot more warmth. I look a lot better in warmer contours than cooler tone ones. So I'll just layer that in there. Okay. So this is like your standard shape blush brush, just kind of a little bit angled. Not too dense, but dense enough to flush on that color. So we'll be using this one. This one's from like BH Cosmetics. I've had it for eons. It's synthetic as well. Then it's time to pick up product. So I'll just swirl it into there, and there we go. I always tap off like the excess. And when you're starting off with makeup, tap as much excess off. You can always add more color. It's hard once you already get it on. Yeah, get messy. So when you smile, that's like the apple of your cheek, but it can drop. So I apply blush a little bit higher than that. So I won't do it here. I'm gonna do it right there. So I don't know if you can tell the difference. Instead of here, right there. And then I'm just gonna circle it backwards, following my jawline. So you have to figure out like your own jawline. When you make that duck face, you can kind of see a really nice outline for it. And once you know where your jawline hits, you'll know, okay, I'm gonna apply it just on it, but a little bit higher, like a couple of millimeters. And as you can see from ahead, there's such a nice flush of glow comparing this side to this side. So that's like no blush and with the orange blush. So it's just a very natural glow. I dye down a lot here in blush first, so I'll usually do like 2 applications of my blush. So again, I'm just gonna go in, tap off the excess, and work it backwards. Oh, I love this color so much. And when you apply your blush a little bit higher, you're giving your face a little lift. So then that color is not dropping down so low. I'll even sometimes take like excess and just put like as a transition from any contour going into the main focal points of the face, because I also sometimes highlight right there. So that's like another little, that's a bonus hack actually, a bonus hack tip. You don't need a lot. And there you go. Yuri will then have a really gorgeous blush color, and you can add highlight of your liking from there. Thank you so much for joining me for today's makeup tip. I hope you enjoyed it and found it super helpful. If you did, I'm pretty sure you did, hit the like button just so I know that you like these types of videos. Don't be afraid, hit subscribe, join the tribe. Will be a part of my subscriber family and help me grow a little bit more, and I'll greatly appreciate it. Hit the bell notification so you'll know about my uploads first. I know some people get notified a little bit later, but that is the best way to know about my new content first. I'm trying to get together a schedule, and I'll post that hopefully soon. But thank you so much for watching me today and, you know, supporting me in a small way. The next steps to support me would be go down into the description box. I'm linking all the information discussed in this video, but also shoppable links. Those links will earn me a little bit of coin, just a little bit. So if you could support me there as well, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you again for your time. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.